Welcome back to Twinkl's How to Draw series. Today, we'll be showing you how to draw a rabbit. So grab your pencil and your pen, get ready to draw along at home, and let's get going. Starting in the middle of the page, you're going to want to draw a flattened oval shape for the rabbit's face. Then, draw another flattened oval shape underneath your original shape for the body of the rabbit. Next, in the bottom right-hand corner, draw two thin oblongs, which will be the two front legs. In the bottom left-hand corner, sketch another flattened circle, and on the bottom of this shape, draw another thin oblong shape for the rabbit's back legs. Moving on to the rabbit's face, draw two large oblong shapes for the rabbit's ears. To add in the tail, draw a smaller oval shape at the bottom left of the rabbit's body. Then, on the rabbit's face, we're going to mark in rough shapes for the facial features. Add in two circles for the eyes and a small triangular nose. If you've made it this far, it would mean lots to everyone at Twinkl Kids TV if you subscribe to the channel. Now we've done our sketch layer, it's time to trace over it with a black pen. Beginning at this point on the rabbit's face, draw downwards. When reaching the jaw, leave a slight gap. Then carry on tracing around the rest of the rabbit's face. Make sure that you don't go over where your rabbit's ears are when you do this. Now we can draw over our rabbit's ears. Inside the ears, draw in an oval shape that doesn't quite join together. Repeat this on the other side. Start to draw down the body of the rabbit, remembering to only mark over what the outline will be of the rabbit's body. On our rabbit's tail, begin to take your pen around the shape. When reaching the top of the tail, add an M shape to give the fur some texture. Carry on drawing along the body of the rabbit and around the front of the legs. Don't connect the top of the legs, as this shows where the legs join the body. For the next leg, we can overlap the lines slightly, as this leg will be placed behind the body. Now it's time to move on to the facial features. For the eyes, draw an oval shape that has a flattened bottom. Do the same on the other side. Finally, fill in the triangle nose . And from the bottom of that, draw a line and end it with a curve. Then mark another curve the opposite way. At the end, you'll be able to rub out your pencil markings, but make sure you wait for the pen to dry first so you're not left with smudges. Now that's how you draw a Twinkl rabbit. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe and look out for the next Twinkl Illustrators video.